Hi. So I am taking Ali Abdaal's YouTube course, and on this part it's to be perfection, which I have a huge problem with. So this is going to be the first video I post on my YouTube channel to beat the idea of perfectionism. Anything will be better than this. I'm not even in a kitchen. I'm currently in a mall. See. And yeah, so the idea of this channel is going to be... I can't think of this. I'm going to be making bariatric recipes for bariatric patients. The idea is to make good, healthy, balanced meals that anybody can make. You can make for yourself or make for your family. And it's also to show the other side of food on the other side of bariatric surgeries. I feel like that's always something that people run into is, oh my God, am I going to just be eating baby food all my life, which is totally not that. So thank you, Ali Abdaal, for inspiring me to just put myself out there. Here I go. This should be very interesting to look back on because, I mean, this is a cooking channel and I'm not even in a kitchen. So here's to beating perfectionism. Check.